Being tormented by a boss, having a fixed schedule, and overall lacking freedom are the main characteristics of an ordinary office job. However, you can escape all that system by becoming a freelancer that will allow you to be your own boss, have your own schedule, and even make more money because of this. I have been a game developer for the past 4 years and had experience at Voodoo testing 3 successful prototypes with them, whose workflow is super similar to being a freelancer, as I had my own schedule and no actual bosses. Today I will show you the main steps you have to follow in order to become a successful freelancer. Let's start. 1. Study different skills. Basically, freelancers not only require to have outstanding developing skills, but also other skills related to how to sell their services, how to build, let's say, their own company, how to talk to clients, how to communicate with them effectively, how to organize your own schedule, etc. So you actually have a broader skills that you actually have to take a look at. So you really have to focus on your multitasking, on being able to handle multiple things at the same time, because this is one of the main differences with an ordinary job. Because in an ordinary job you just go to the office, you follow some orders, and that's all that you have to do. Whereas here, if you really want to be a freelancer, you will have to get used to actually going towards opportunities, communicating effectively with the client, completing the task on time, etc. So it's quite different from just having an ordinary job, because here you will actually have to have a different skill set. Okay, so here really take your time to study a little bit more and to improve a little bit more your communicational skills, both written and orally, because you will probably not only have to chat with your clients, but also you will have to have some meetings, either before actually creating a project or coming to an agreement, and even throughout the process of creating the task that you were assigned. And how you can do that is super simple. There is a lot of information out there on the internet on how to write properly a message to the client, the layout that you should follow, the type of language that you should use, etc. So there is a lot of information, so go after that in the internet. Then you will also have to have a lot of skills related to marketing, sales, etc. Because here as a freelancer you will have to go towards the client and actually in a way attract them towards your offer. So you will really have to understand how to write properly a message that will attract the client and would potentially convert that person in your client. Okay, and then finally I would also just suggest to take a look at some tips in order to be more productive, because as here not only you're going to have to organize your own time but also make the most of your time. There are a lot of productivity hacks that you can start applying and things that you will have to stop doing. For example, if you are all day on your home, it is quite possible that you will spend a lot of time with your phone, so you can limit your screen time by using different applications. So basically start taking a look at the different skills that you're going to need to be a freelancer, because it is much broader than just working at a company where you just have to follow orders and complete tasks, because in freelancing there are also other skills that start having a vital role. 2. Create your personal brand. Here there are basically multiple ways of creating your personal brand, and basically your personal brand is having your online profile in a variety of platforms. For freelancing platforms there are 2 main platforms that are Fiverr and Upwork. So basically here on Fiverr you will have your profile. So the correct way of actually doing all this is to have a professional picture over here, to have professional description that briefly describes in just 1 sentence what you are. You can also add here an intro video where you can say, okay, my name is X, I am X, I do X, etc. Here you can also showcase your portfolio, basically the different projects that you have created, and here you can also have a description. Okay, so here it is quite important that in your description we are going to talk a little bit in the future of the video, but basically use some keywords. For example, Unity game developer, I have been creating games published in the Google Play Store, any kind of game, 3D, 2D, different game genres, etc. So this will really help you actually appear on the search results. So basically fill in all the different fields that you have over there, and then you will have your different services that you're going to be able to set up with your own prices, with your own time frame, etc. So that's also pretty cool, and basically clients will eventually start reaching out to you. So basically, yes, appearing there online on the internet is going to be something that will massively help you with this. And you can even also have your own YouTube channel like I do, where you upload some tips on different things related to game development. You can upload tutorials, courses, even some tips to get a job as I'm doing right now. So this will really also help you get a lot of traction in the algorithm and also start building and creating your personal brand. So basically you are going to have your own audience, not only your audience, but you're going to be able to convert your audience into potential clients. 3. SEO optimization. This is what I was telling you about. Fiverr and mostly a lot of freelancing platforms are just search engines as Google, okay? So if you're able to actually optimize your profile, use keywords in your services that you offer in your profile, you will actually have more chances of appearing there on about people clicking on your profile and messaging you, etc. So let me show you how this is actually done. In platforms like Fiverr, basically it is super simple. Make sure that you have a description here, that it is super simple but that is clear and direct what you are. Then also make sure that also you do have here a custom photo uploaded over here with your face. Basically here something that really helps SEO is to fill all the different fields if you can, okay? Because here they do provide a lot of interesting tools to help us with the positioning of our profile, such as here the intro video. So just here really just create some kind of video like this of you talking in front of the camera. You can even add some captions and some editing over there. It is super simple, so make sure that you are taking advantage of all these different tools, because all these tools will actually help you stand out from the crowd. And also, as I was telling you in the description, make sure that you are including some kind of keywords that maybe people start searching for example, Unity game developer, Google Play Store, these game genres over here, etc. And at the end you should put some kind of call to action like message me and let's get to work, message me and let's start discussing, etc. Okay, and with this you will actually have more chances of appearing in the search engine when people look for Unity game developer, etc. Your services will have more chances of appearing, and basically there you will have more clients. 4. Deliver top quality work. I know this sounds quite obvious. Of course, whenever you have some kind of offer or client, you do have to deliver the best work that you can. But actually, providing a top quality work isn't only about the exact product that you deliver. It also means clear and fast communication, delivering on time, being open with your client, etc. Basically, soft skills. This is super connected to the first point about the studying different skills, that being a freelancer is much more comprehensive and big and broader, let's say, than just working at a company. So here you do have to work on delivering top quality work, not only on the final product that you deliver, but also on the experience that you give to the client. Basically, make sure that you are replying fast to their messages, that you are replying accurately, that you're delivering everything on time, and that overall the experience is smooth for the client. So just think about how this is done in professional freelancers, in professional companies, okay? So basically it is just developing your soft skills a little bit more. And again, to do this you can either learn by your own experience, you can learn by other people's experiences. Just go to YouTube and look to some kind of tutorial about how to improve your soft skills, and for sure there you will find a lot of relevant information. 5. Build long-term relations. try to get long-term clients by providing this top quality work. After successfully delivering something, instead of just, let's say, closing the contract there and not talking to the client anymore, send them a message telling them that you look forward to working with them in the near future, that they don't have to hesitate if they have some kind of project, or even you can offer them an update of the project that you have worked on. For example, well, here the project seems so cool, but I think we could add XYZ. I really enjoyed our experience, and well, now we do have some hands-on experience working together, and we can have this for some budget and some timeline that you give them. Okay, so basically this will really ensure that you start to build some long-term relations. You will actually don't have to spend that much time looking for some client. Because when you as a freelancer start getting some long-term relations, some long-term clients, is actually some of the best things, because you can avoid spending hours looking for clients, okay, because you already would have them. So basically always provide top quality work and they will be more willing to build a long-term relation with you. Again, super connected with the previous point. Okay, so this is all for today's video. Do not let this video be one more of the collection of videos that you watch and don't apply the tips that are said. So basically go ahead and start your freelancing journey today with these steps that I presented. You can start super simple by just opening yourself a profile in freelancing platforms such as Fiverr. There are actually a lot more platforms that you can take a look at. Again, try to research in your own, and there are even other platforms where you can directly start messaging clients, also for example in LinkedIn. So basically start getting the ball rolling, and from there you will start gaining experience, knowledge, and also money. Okay, and from there the different parts of the stair is going to be built on the goals. So I wish you all the best in this freelancing journey, and I hope we can see each other on the following video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video as well, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.